Did you know homes with the right upgrades can sell for up to 20% more? After helping hundreds of clients prep their homes, I have narrowed down the easiest and the cheapest upgrades that get real results. In this video, I will be talking about 4 most effective cheap upgrades you can make to a home before selling. 3 common upgrade mistakes sellers make that drive buyers away. And at the end, I have a bonus tip that will completely change the home selling game for you. Hi, my name is Tatlika Sehgal and I'm a real estate expert. If you watch till the end, I have a bonus waiting for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. Segment 1. The most effective cheap upgrades. But first, you need to understand something called ROI. ROI, or return on investment, is the money you will make back after investing in something. And what if I tell you that these upgrades have some of the highest ROI on the market? They can inflate the price of your house by over 20%. Let's dive into the highest ROI renovations. First, let's talk about the fresh paint. Painting the interior of your house has an impressive 107% return on investment, while painting the exterior offers a solid 55% average return on investment. Using neutral colors like white, gray, or beige can make rooms feel bigger and brighter. These colors reflect light, making small or dark spaces more open and inviting. Neutral tones also appeal broadly because they allow buyers to imagine their furniture and decor in the space. This makes it easier to attract more buyers, which is great if you're selling your home. Choose paint colors that match your home's style and lighting to get the best results. Warm colors like beige create a cozy feel, like cool colors, light gray, look modern and fresh. Use the same colors throughout the house to create a smooth, flowing look. To make your home feel even more polished, consider painting the trim in a slightly different neutral color to add depth. Finally, using high-quality paint and taking the time to apply it properly can make a big difference. A well-painted home will look clean and well-maintained, which will impress buyers. Lighting upgrades. Next, upgrading your home's lighting is simple and affordable way to make it more attractive to buyers. Bright, warm lighting creates a cozy, welcoming feel, which makes rooms seem more comfortable and inviting. When a buyer walks into a home with great lighting, it gives them a positive first impression. Proper lighting can also highlight your home's best features like beautiful architecture or spacious rooms, making everything look more appealing. Plus, when you update old light fixtures, it gives your home a fresh, modern feel that matches today's trends. There are a few easy lighting upgrades you can do that won't break the bank. Start by replacing old light fixtures with new stylish ones, especially in the kitchen, living room, and entryway. These are the areas where lighting makes the biggest difference. You can also swap in LED bulbs, which are energy efficient and last longer, while giving off a warm, inviting light. Adding extra light sources like table lamps or floor lamps can make rooms feel more layered and flexible. Finally, making the most of natural light by cleaning windows, removing heavy curtains, and using mirrors to reflect light. These changes will make your home look brighter and more spacious, which is something every buyer will love. Curb appeal enhancements. Now, improving your home's curb appeal is a great way to catch a buyer's eye and make a positive first impression. The outside of your house is the first thing potential buyers see. And if it looks clean and well maintained, they'll be more likely to think the inside is just as well cared for. A nice looking home on the outside can even increase its value. Spending about $3,500 on an average on curb appeal could add up to $12,000 in value to your home, which is an excellent return on investment. Plus, a beautiful exterior can make your house stand out and sell faster if you're selling in a competitive market. There are a few simple, budget-friendly ways to improve your home's curb appeal. Start by power washing your driveway, walkways, and siding to remove dirt and stains. Then wash your lawn by mowing, trimming, and adding colorful flowers to your garden. A fresh coat of paint on the front door and a new welcome mat can also make a big difference. Updating the lighting around your home, such as adding solar lights along the walkway or modern fixtures on the porch, will make your house look more inviting. Minor updates like these can help you attract more buyers and get a better price for your home. Minor kitchen and bathroom touch-ups. Moving on, making small updates in kitchen and bathroom can have a big impact on how buyers see your home. These two areas are often the most important to potential buyers, so keeping them looking nice can help your home stand out. When buyers see that these spaces are well maintained, they are less likely to worry about expensive repairs in the future. Best of all, you don't have to spend a lot of money to make your kitchen and bathroom more appealing. There are several simple, cost-effective updates you can make to improve these rooms. Start by replacing old cabinet knobs and pulls with modern ones to give the kitchen or bathroom a fresh look. If the grout around your tiles looks worn, regrouting will make them look clean and new. You can also deep clean your appliances to make them sparkle and show buyers that they are in good condition. Replacing outdated faucets, shower heads, and light fixtures is another way to modernize these spaces. Don't forget to refresh the caulking around sinks and tubs, as old or mildewed caulk can be a turn off. Lastly, if your cabinets look worn, a new coat of paint or finish can give them a fresh, updated look. These small improvements will help your home look better and may increase its value when you sell. Coming to segment 2. Common upgrade mistakes to avoid. Now, as a realtor, I have helped multiple clients upgrade their homes, and during this time, I've seen them making gazillion mistakes. But 3 of them have been most common, so they need to be addressed beforehand so you don't make them. Overpersonalizing spaces. Firstly, overpersonalizing your home can make it harder for potential buyers to see themselves living there. When your home is filled with family photos, unique artwork, or bold colors, buyers may get distracted and need help with focusing on the home's features. Personalized decor may also not match the taste of a wide range of people, which can make your home less attractive to many buyers. If your home feels too much like your personal space, buyers might struggle to imagine it as their future home. To make your home more appealing to a larger group of buyers, consider neutralizing the decor. Painting the walls in neutral colors like white, grey, or beige can create a bland canvas that helps buyers picture the space as their own. Remove personal items like family photos, unique decorations, and store away bold artwork. Keep the space simple and clutter-free by clearing countertops and organizing closets. Also, stage rooms show how they can be used differently. For example, a guest room can be shown as a home office. Adding neutral decor like fresh flowers, neutral throw pillows, and simple artwork can make the space feel inviting without being too personal. These changes can help buyers connect with your home and increase your chances of a quick sale. Ignoring necessary repairs. Fixing necessary repairs before listing your home is very important to help attract potential buyers. If buyers see visible issues like leaky faucets, chipped paint, or cracked tiles, they may worry that there are bigger problems hidden in the house. This can make them hesitate to make an offer or lead them to offer less money because they will factor in the cost of repairs. A house that needs a lot of work might also stay on the market longer than one that looked well maintained. To avoid these problems, start by getting a pre-listing inspection. This will help you to find and fix issues before buyers notice them. Focus on visible repairs, such as fixing leaky faucets, touching up chipped paint, or replacing cracked tiles. It's also important to fix any structural or safety concerns like roof leaks, electrical problems, plumbing issues. Don't forget to improve your home's curb appeal by cleaning up the yard, trimming bushes, and making sure the exterior looks inviting. Keeping a record of all the repairs, you can also show buyers that your home has been well taken care of. By taking these steps, you will make your home more appealing, build buyer trust, and increase your chances of a quicker sale at a good price. Overspending on upgrades. Spending less on home upgrades can help your return on investment (ROI) when selling your home. Not all renovations will give you back the money you spent. For example, a significant bathroom remodel might only get about 66% of its cost, while a minor kitchen update can get you around 85%. If you overspend on upgrades that are more expensive than what most homes in your neighborhood have, it can be hard to sell your home for enough to cover these costs. Additionally, buyers may not like your changes or want to make their updates. To get the best ROI, focus on the more minor, high-impact improvements. Simple changes like landscaping, painting the front door, or updating outdoor lighting can make a big difference in your home's appearance. Updating kitchen features like cabinet hardware and light fixtures or adding a new backsplash can refresh the space without needing a complete remodel. You can also save money by making your home more energy efficient, like adding insulation or installing energy efficient windows. It's also essential to ensure your upgrades fit in with other homes. Asking a real estate agent for advice can help you choose the best upgrades for your market. You can increase your home's value without overspending by making intelligent, affordable changes. Coming to segment 3, the bonus tip. Making your home look move-in ready is a great way to attract buyers and get a higher price. When a home looks ready for someone to move into, buyers can easily imagine themselves living there. This makes them more likely to make a quick offer. A clean, well-kept home also shows that it has been cared for, which can justify a higher price. Buyers will appreciate that they don't have to worry about repairs or updates, which makes the buying process easier and less stressful. To make your home move-in ready, start with a deep cleaning. Clean everything from the carpets and windows to appliances. Make sure there are no unpleasant smells like pet odors. Declutter by removing personal items like family photos and organizing spaces to make room feel bigger. Use neutral colors on the walls to appeal to more buyers and choose simple furniture that complements the style of the home. Fix any visible issues such as leaky faucets or broken light fixtures and update hardware like cabinet, knobs, or faucets to give the home a fresh look. Don't forget the outside. Maintain the lawn, trim bushes, add flowers to make the entryway inviting. These steps can help your home stand out, leading to a faster sale and a better price. If you found value and would like to see more videos, click on the boxes on the screen. If you would like to know about Toronto's real estate, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my socials to keep yourself updated. Hit the like button if you found this video informative. Once again, I am Tadlika Sehgal, your real estate expert, and you can get in touch with me through my contact details in the description box below. See you in the next video.